In today's video, it's quick, easy, delicious Ghanaian favorite street snack. Yes, kosiani meko. Yes, the perfect snack you may serve at your next party. It's very popular and it's extremely delicious. And I know for sure you're going to love it. So let's jump right in. To my saucepan, I'm going to add in 8 eggs. To that, we'll add in enough water. Then goes in some salt to taste. We'll cover it and transfer it to my stove top. On a medium heat, I'm going to let it cook for about 15 minutes. So while the eggs are cooking, I'm going to go ahead to grind my hot pepper, which you only need just few ingredients, okay? We'll add in some scotch bonnet pepper, garlic ginger paste. You can use the fresh ones, and add in some salt. So these are salt because it has been in the freezer. And also if you don't have the asanka, you can use your food processor or the blender. And if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for subscribing. So I'm going to grind this until I get a smooth consistency. Now you can enjoy it without adding the tomatoes, okay? But it is very spicy, so we'll go in with some tomatoes to balance it out. So once the tomatoes are in, we'll continue to grind them until I achieve a smooth consistency I'm going for. To that, we'll go into adding my chopped onions and continue to grind. And to my returning and new subscribers, I really do appreciate you and thank you so much for the love and support. God bless you. So guys, this is the consistency I'm going for. So now I'm just going to go ahead to transfer it into my serving bowl. Yes, when you're washing or komi ekra, in a corner komi ne do pakpako bodo. Hey, abaleke kelo nashi. But for today, we are doing kosiani meko. I will save some for my kinky. Allow me no care. Yes, so I'm just going to go ahead to garnish it with some sliced onion and some jalapeño. But if you can substitute it with your scallions, that's also perfect. So guys, the eggs are cooked. I've peeled them, and what I did was to cut them into two. I mean, just look how inviting and presentable this looks. And I'm going to scoop a little bit of the pepper onto it. And that's about it, guys. Kosiani meko is most Ghanaian favorite snack. It's absolutely delicious and you cannot resist from having more than one. So the moment you get one or two, just walk away, guys, and don't look back. Yes, because you will end up having more. So just walk away, okay? Yeah, so if you're planning to go to Ghana, just put this on your list, okay? So give it a try and trust me, you're going to love it. Okay, guys? Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Until I come your way with another amazing deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.